two, welcome back. What's happening?
No, seriously?
Tomorrow is my birthday, but we're celebrating early because my wife got me this butter. What is this? Bundt cakes?
Nothing Bundt cake.
Nothing Bundt cakes. There's a gift for you, Carl, right there. And then I'm not sure what's in the bag. What is inside the bag?
Open it later, and then tomorrow we celebrate more. Hey, Joseph, come on.
All right, so tomorrow we're gonna go to Dodgers game, but they've been losing, so I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy the game tomorrow. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated.
Make sure the angle is cute.
So this is a white chocolate
Raspberry
cake
Bundt cake.
or Bundt cake. So this is just a paper design. It's not edible. At first I thought it was edible. Happy birthday.